Mirabai sir.
What is that? Mira Road?
Yeah, near Vasai Virar now.
Vasai Virar?
Yeah.
Oh my god. And driving?
Gear काढलं.
You cannot change your lanes when you're this way on the flyways, okay?
Don't panic, it's organic.
Powrat.
Samiksha!
There was no ride. We were not supposed to take the flyover. We
Yeah.
Oh my god! Look at this! This guy behind is keeping distance. Just check what car is Avishka. It's a BMW. I'll stay even more. I say I don't.
No, it's a
It's
Brezza.
a Suzuki.
Then fuck it. My mother can pay for it right to destroy.
Wow.
No, I'm gonna wait till everybody moves. Why should I move?
Fucking pull the van instead of the handbrake.
On the first day that this whole thing came out, on the first day I went driving.
Gear काढला. तो निघतो का? Today we needed a mic only.
Yeah.
Like guys, move it. It's Sanja Fernandez.
Get out of the way.
Because she can't drive.
How fast they're going? They were
But there's
dead.
no traffic. You'll take a U-turn from ahead.
Yeah.
Google Maps भलतंच दाखवतं. हे काय आहे?
अरे लोकेशन ऑन कर लोकेशन
हे बघ. स्वतः बंद ठेवलंय लोकेशन पावरट.
पावरट
आता मी चालू केलेलं तर तू आता परत बंद केलंय.
बॅटरी आते
I know Suraj say baat hai. I know this song.
struggling to even tie your hair in.
Yeah, because my hair is thick, Avishkar. Unlike you, I'm not balding.
Okay.
Arey, no, only this patch is the traffic. I know.
She knows everything. What is this?
What? Raging.
Wallpaper. It's wallpaper.
What is why is it like that? I'm thinking something's wrong with my eyes. I was like, fuck, I better get off this journey and give it to someone else.
कळलं का? हम दोनों हैं जुदा. I like
Oh, अरे what happened to the song?
ये प्रेम का गेम फिर इतने चक्कर.
What? I'm not crying, bro. I would have cried.
मेरी जो गर्ल
मेरी जो girl.
Why do you want to listen to this?
ये है कि 35,000 की सैलरी में एक लाख के शॉप में पूरे करूं कैसे?
Huh?
बिल्कुल एकदम मतलब
35,000 is a salary and her demands are worth 1 lakh.
Bro, just leave the girl, bro.
Please tell me who this guy is.
लड़की को पैसे देने ही पड़ जाए या फिर और बहुत सारी फेमिनिज्म वाली पिक्चरें दिखाते उसको.
अच्छा go fast.
Wish I'm first guy. Can't.
तनख्वाह है वो 35,000 रुपए और तुम्हारे खर्चे लाख के हैं. अब we can't afford like
We can't afford like
True, bro.
this.
So honest.
दोनों केस में बिल तो हम फर्स्ट डेट पे अगर लड़का बिल दे दे तो कोई बुराई नहीं है. फर्स्ट डेट पे दे सकते हैं.
बस सेम लड़के भी सोचते हैं अगर पहली डेट पे कोई लड़की
Split
दे
it.
दे कोई बुराई नहीं. ठीक है.
What are you fucking talking about?
Listening to them.
Split what?
The bill.
What?
Cringe. Please change. I
This
can't.
is the radio. What are you telling me?
Didn't we take the flyover?
Because there is no flyover. It's under construction, if I'm not mistaken.
This one is called
What's wrong with them? Man? So many years they had when I came out to drive.
Yeah, nice song. Amisha, what ring are you wearing?
Answer.
Who's calling?
Honking.
Who?
Fucking shit, Avishka, your advice now. We'll
No,
reach
you
some.
can't, man.
Go straight, don't do shit. Don't take.
You know we can't fuck Avishka.
Don't panic, it's organic.
Shut up.
We have crossed it. After we.
There is. I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say.
You. I'm gonna kill you. Just let us reach.
Okay, bye.
Now the traffic patch is over, guys. Now, fatfat आपण पोहोचू असं.
Where is
come
the
on,
U-turn? Oh my god! Look at this.
I didn't know.
So much drama, bro.
These
Why
are
are
normal
they-
people.
I can see U-turn.
Avishka, no.
That is not
Like, I
a
don't, bro, I can't. I'm blind.
Avishka,
Hey, U-turn here also.
you couldn't tell me that before.
You can't see your audio. Who's driving? Who's sitting in the
Avishka,
front?
I'm not paying attention to everything.
Are you go straight now? There is traffic or what? No.
But where are we going? You want to go to Goa? If we can do it, let me. Pakka na we'll go to Goa driving.
Anja,
Yeah.
take a U-turn to stop you on the left. I'll drive. Please.
Oh my god, why I'm driving so badly or what?
No, you're driving too slow.
He hates
Oh my
traffic.
god, too slow.
No, Ray, she's driving very well. You drive. Just don't kill us. इकडे नमस्कार कर.
Hila.
Please do it. Do it 3-4 times for extra.
Oh, she actually pursues the singing career that she wanted.
Oh,
Why is he coming so close?
थोड़ा छान है आविष्कार.
Okay.
And I was promised.
Abhi, are you fine, Samiksha?
There is a U-turn.
This girl, bro, this girl.
This is like driving till Navi Mumbai, Samiksha.
Yeah, this is Navi Mumbai.
Huh? Avishka, shut up. I know where Navi Mumbai is. I go every day on the bike.
Hey, I am driving up, please.
No, you are not driving.
Sanja, please.
This is safe driving. Avishkar,
Safe
you
driving.
don't think you're F1 car
Sanja,
racer?
please, let
It's
me
okay,
drive.
Avishka. I'll do it.
Sanja, please, I'm begging.
I need
I came
practice.
all the way to Borivali now.
I never asked you to do it.
I drive good only, ask Samiksha.
It's okay, Avishka. Take a train. Back to.
Take a train, bolti.
Samiksha.
There was no ride. We were not supposed to take the flyover. We took the flyover.
Now, you know where are we heading? We're going to Mirabai, sir.
What is that? Mira Road?
Yeah, near Vasai Virar now. You know?
Was I there?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Leaving the car right here, right now. We're going back by right train. We're all going by train.
That is 1 hour ahead. आपण बोलू नका आपण बोरिवली पोहोचलोय.
Yeah,
We
we are in Dahisar East actually.
Dyson? Oh my god. Oh, the U-turn over here? No, it's blocked.
You can go to Silvassa if you want. You can go to Daman. You can go to Daman.
You know what is Zaman?
Andaman and Nicobar
No,
Island.
no.
Abey, bye.
Dew and Daman? That?
Yeah,
Yeah. Gujarat and Maharashtra border.
Yeah, we can go there. We can have dinner and come back. You want to go or I can
I am waiting for a U-turn. Fucking
Let's
shut
go.
up, you idiots.
Let's go, GC. Can I drive, please?
No, Vishka, I will do it.
For
Hey, there's a flyover from here, but why?
For God's sake, can
For God's
Can I
sake.
drive, please, now, please.
No.
Let's go in this night. Can I drive,
Now just shut up, Vishka. Don't stress me out.
please?
Come in peace, let us go in peace.
Bro, we'll take like
खाऊया ना काहीतरी on the way.
Iba.
No.
No,
You-
I'm
we
going.
have-
What about now?
We'll drop him and then we'll do whatever in Bandra. I don't.
What is that?
I feel like I'm a pro now, guys.
Good.
Because of me.
Because of us.
आज बोलू नका टेका युटर्न केलेस. छान आहे हे. थंड सलावायचं होतं.
हाँ.
Don't lug up Panwati Samisha by saying I'm good at driving.
I said the Lipton green tea is nice.
Fucking rude of you,
Peach tea.
Samisha. Instead of saying I'm good at driving, she's saying this.
There's so much space. Go ahead.
No, Vishka, there's no space. You never know when someone is going to come in your lane.
How can anyone just come randomly to a lane? Now 100.
Hey, Ram.
There was Dara
Andheri
Dhaba
East.
at
We
Borivali.
reached Andheri East, you saw?
काय चिकन मिळतं तिकडे.
See, this is how they change their
Dhara
lanes.
Dhaba, na? I know, B1D.
How was
You are
Andheri?
sorry, you
How-
want to go or Dhara Dhaba right now?
Yeah, I'm telling you that only. पोहोचू आपण इकडेच आहे.
अच्छा.
Shut up.
You want to go
Head
over or
leg.
we'll go over?
That time Samisha's going to drive.
Yeah, Samiksha will get his coherent.
Yeah.
He can drive. He's going to change his lanes. You see now.
Go fast so he won't change the lane.
Hey, Ram, you want to cause an accident?
Arey. Sanchia, go fast.
Vishka, can you see the rickshaw in front of me? And can you see how he's coming in my lane?
He's not coming in your lane. If you honk and go, he won't come in your lane.
Hey, I know this place. You get very nice chicken tikka and like naan and roti. You want to go there? चल यार जाऊया.
Samiksha is too confident by riding. Now she took the seatbelt off.
But you're driving safe only. That's why.
She drives too safe, huh? Like,
Avishka,
not
I got that.
Yeah,
I got the
safe.
hint. I got the hint.
4 गाड्या फिट होती मध्ये पुढे आपल्या.
See now, at least we're moving now.
Yeah, true.
We're at 60. 60 is the average speed.
True. Perfect. Amazing, lovely.
This is called rash driving. You see? Rash
That's
driving.
how I drive.
Rash driving.
See, he's saying also that's how I drive.
That's why I didn't let him drive.
Sanchia, go fast on 50.
Avishka, there's a taxi in front of me.
So go on the left and take
You
overtake.
cannot change your lanes when you're this way on the flyways. Okay, you cannot. You'll sit and cry on this only song.
Bro,
now.
Samisha, do you drive this slow?
Yes, that is how she was driving. I caught up with you, na, Diya?
You were
You
racing.
got lost.
You were
You got
racing.
lost. Yeah. Very.
Wow, what? You guys are racing?
Yeah.
Bro, that's so cool.
Better than the other rubbish. Samisha was like, bike, go, bike.
Let's dance, bro. Time to party, bro.
That's too close you're going, bro. Have patience. Have faith. Nothing will
Your
happen.
tail is there, but you're going too close. I'm getting.
Did we touch?
No. but still you are about to turn. You have a learner or you have a
Learners.
You're still on learner.
That's why I'm bad, Navishkar.
Oh damn, but learner or to nice. It's a U-turn here, no?
So what I'm going to take a U-turn for?
Just for fun.
Are you mad? I took effort, ऐसे. Huh? I feel I'm driving as good as my father now.
Chal Dancha, let's go to Goa only tomorrow.